We are pleased to present our project Intelligent Integration of NIPE-based and Arima for tourism trend prediction in Bali based on Google Maps data. In this project, we combine sentiment analysis using NIPE bias with time series processing using Arima to predict tourism trends in Bali based on Google Maps data. Through this approach, we aim to provide useful insight that can support better decision making in the tourism sector. With further ado, let's begin our presentation.
All right. Here I will explain the initial step to step 3. First, we import the data collect from Google Maps. After that, we import the Navy bias and Arima libraries. Next, the next step is combination all CSV files by searching for all CSV format in the main folder and then merging them vertical into a single dataset. Next, step 3 is data processing and cleansing, which is include number 1, determining the destination name. 2, identification the review text. 3, cleansing and rating data. 4, reading and review that the data as they are. 4, creating binary labels as the target variables for the Navy-based model. At this stage, we process the entry dataset without removing important information. Thank you.
Okay, next step 4, labeling, designed to perform the process of labeling tourist categories automatically and intelligently on dataset using the multi-search mode approach by mapping the official Bali destination dictionary converted into an referencing low case structure. The fungsi labeling cerdas function as a double separately net anti-multi-drop by checking the next destination name column in the first step and automatical switching to scanning the review text content in the second step if the Intellica searching found the final result of applying this function using the apply. One method is stored into a new column name category wisata which ensure optimal data retention and produce an accurate harness category distributor ready to be used for statistical analysis or patient modeling. Okay, next step 5. Process filtering. Okay, sir. As a region data filtering, but to ensure the quality and purity of the data before entering the machine learning modeling step taught in technical data replication using copy this program settle up the column structure headless null value with final and perform data type conversion on the time column using PD to datetime with the parameter error. The garbage data elimination process is carried out in stack, including deleting row with empty data, cleaning up artificial data that anomaly data made by the scraper system, and removing reviews with the status unit certificate to avoid bias in the analysis. Finally, this code performs vector engineering to extract the new time indicators such as well as binary label sentiment based on ratings resulting in the final dataset named DF that is pure and ready to be processed by the Navi bias or ARIMA algorithm. Next.
Okay, the next step is implementing naive Bayes model. At this stage, we train an upgrading multinomial naive Bayes model to perform automate and smarter sentiment classification. The process begins by splitting the dataset into 80% training and 20% testing data, which is then combined with the bigram technique, so the AI can capture the context of two word pairs while filtering out noise words that might compromise accuracy. Once the model is training and its performance is evaluated, this smart model is immediately deployed to predict and populate sentiment level across our entire primary dataset instantly. Next, ke bawah. Stop. Oke. Stop L. Jangan ke atas hasilnya. Hasilnya yang sebelum 7. Stop. Okay. Based on this result, the machine learning model we deploy achieved an outstanding accuracy rate of 98.05% out of nearly 200 test the data samples. Our model demonstrates highly stable and unbiased performance in classifying both sentiment classes. For the negative class, the model achieved a perfect recall score of 1.00, meaning not a single negative review was missed. Meanwhile, for a positive class, it attained a perfect precision score of 1.00, indicating that every review predict as positive is 100% accurate with 0 false positive. With a well-balanced average V1 score of 98%, the integration of bigram feature and custom stop word filtering has proven highly successful. And this is a naive Bayes model is fully prepared for immediately deploy in the real-world data analysis. Next. 7. Stop. Okay, this was implement a clean up and optimized ARIMA time series model designed for forecasting monthly review trends. The workflow began by filtering out dummy entries to ensure data integrity, followed by normalizing the data field into a time zone and naive data time format. We then resample the data into a strict monthly and frequency. filling any structural gap with zero to maintain continuity. Using this refined historical data, we turn an ARIMA model with an order of 1 to capture autoaggressive and a moving average pattern. Finally, the model project feature trends by generating 3 months operational forecast, providing actionable insight into volume trajectories. Next. Iya, yang tadi. Neil? Paling bawah.
Aku ya.
Yeah, stop. Okay.
This comprehensive analysis dashboard derives a data-driven overview of Bali tourism landscape systemized from 9,991 travel real-world review across 10 major destinations, or upgrade Naib by classifiable, achievement and outstanding 98% accuracy rate, successful mapping sentiment distribution. We are a cultural and historical tourism component extremely half of the total popularity share, followed by artificial regression at 3% will positive sentiment consistent with the dominance across all sectors led by Pura Luhur Uluwatu as the highest rated destination with glowing feedback, highlighting it as a must visit location. The underlying text analysis surface critical completion centered around heavy commercialization and high ticket pricing concernity. The integrated ARIMA team series model effectively process historical volume to project a stable 3-month operational project, equipping stakeholders with actionable high process a predictive instinct for strategic planning.
Okay. Okay. So that's it that we can explain. We'll close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.